Ever wondered why some people instantly feel easy to talk to? There's a psychological trick called the mirroring effect, and it's one of the most powerful tools in dating and social connection. Today, I'm going to show you how to use it naturally to build trust, attraction, and deeper conversations. Mirroring is when you subtly mimic someone's body language, speech patterns, or behaviors. It happens naturally when two people are really getting along, but you can also do it intentionally to build that connection faster. Here's how to use mirroring in a real conversation without being awkward or obvious. Fun match body language. If they lean in, you lean in. If they cross their arms, cross yours slowly after a few seconds. This makes them feel that you're on the same wavelength. 2, mirror their tone and pace. Speak at a similar speed. They talk quietly and calmly, do the same. This builds subconscious trust. 3, copy gestures, but natural. Let's say they take a sip of water or scratch their head. Do the same a few seconds later. Don't overdo it. Keep it subtle and smooth. Important, never copy everything too quickly or too perfectly. It should feel natural, not creepy. Think of it like a dance, not a game. When used right, the mirroring effect can create instant comfort and connection. Whether it's a first date, new friends, or even a job interview. So next time you want to build attraction or trust fast, mirror with intention. Like this tip? Hit the like button and subscribe for more science-backed dating strategies and psychology tricks that actually work. Thank you very much.